whoever your guest spaceship today. Because only Santa's VIPs go on the spaceship today, not just anybody. Because Santa's so busy, only very, very lucky and very, very good kids go.
Wow.
And then these are your badges of honor. If you want to wear them, ask.
Your voices and you're walking with him. Is your big brother?
I'm 4.
Excited? Yeah. Do you know what you're gonna ask Santa for Christmas? Barbies? You Barbies? So what do you want? Oh, is it Lego?
It's action.
Oh yeah?
Action
Not,
figures?
but not the ship.
Not the
Yeah.
Make sure you guys are on the nice list. Alright, you look good.
Yay.
What do you say? Everybody say thank you.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
I assume you both are also on the nice list.
Yay, yes. Yay. Go. Oh, come on, Emily. You're about to go. You have to help her.
Yeah, I'll go.
Wow. This is so cool.
Do you want to help us start our countdown?
Oh,
All you have
yes.
to do is click that white button that says take off.
White one.
The big, the
higher.
small white one.
Can you reach it? Oh, good job.
8,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow. Yay.
Look, Everly, look.
It's Toronto.
Oh, wow.
And there's the snow I told you about.
Wow, it's very snowy.
We're going in the sky.
Yeah. Hey, oh,
Look,
whoa.
Everly's space.
Spaceship.
Wow.
Change your spaceship.
The moon. Oh. Whoa. Wow. Ooh, and look, there's little Christmas UFOs, little Christmas aliens. The aliens are celebrating Christmas.
Let me know if you guys see Santa's portal, okay? That's the only way we can make it to his
Oh,
workshop.
keep our eyes out. Oh.
What's that?
Oh, I think that's it. I think that's it, Carmelo. Wow. Wow, it's beautiful. Wow. Oh, wow, it's so nice here, Carmelo. Look how snowy it is. Oh, look at the beautiful lights.
And there's Santa's workshop.
This was
Wow.
Santa works, Everly.
Wow, beautiful. Oh, I think we landed inside of Santa's workshop.
Look, Everly, those toys.
Wow. Yeah. Oh, we made it. I hear him. Oh, wow. Santa. Wow. Hi, Santa. Oh, that was such a nice rocket ship there. Oh, thank you so much.